Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2024 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross ES in black with LED headlamps, LED fog lamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, lane departure warning, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 9,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7976.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.